Alexa, what does Kiki make the best?
Kiki makes the best pork chops and macaroni and cheese.
So I'm about to start dinner. So we have pork chops, macaroni and cheese, cauliflower, picked up today from Walmart. I mean, I wasn't too sure if I had cheese in the refrigerator, so I just picked up some triple cheddar cheese, some chopped cheddar. This is the sharp cheddar that I had left over in the fridge. And then the smoked Gouda Havarti cheese. I got some extra sharp cheddar and some Colby Jack with mac and cheese. So I just started boiling the water for the macaroni and cheese, the noodles. I'm only gonna use just half the box. So I always just add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. I'll give that a nice mix. And then start seasoning the pork chop. I'm going to get started on seasoning my pork chops. You know, I have the Slap Your Mama seasoning. I live by this seasoning, okay? So good, you gotta try it. The only place that I know that they actually sell this type of seasoning is Walmart. I just like my food flavorful and not bland. Then I got some garlic powder. I don't know, is it just me or does garlic make any and everything taste so good? And I like my pork chops with the bone in them for some reason. I guess after eating the meat, I like to suck the bone because it has so much flavor. Then I'm just going to add some pepper, some black pepper. Add in just a couple of packets, maybe 1 or 2 packets of the sesame, and that's only just to give it some color when I actually fry these up. Give it that nice golden brown color. Then I'm just going to cool it off so we can stop the cooking with some cold water. And I'm just going to start off with some butter. Alright, and I'm going to add in just a little bit of flour. So I'm actually making the cream sauce for the macaroni. Just a little bit of flour. Okay, I'm going to stir that around. Then next I'm just going to add in some half and half. Cream cheese gives it that creamy consistency and flavor. I don't measure anything, I just eyeball it. So I just added in some of my cheeses. So now that's going to keep mixing until all the cheeses have melted in. this bad boy in the oven. Alright, since the cheese has a lot of salt, you really don't need to add any more salt. I'm just going to add some pepper. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to throw these pork chops in my deep fryer. So now I'm just going to season up the mixed vegetables, the frozen. This garlic butter here, I tell you, this is another thing that I swear by. This is so good. So slap your mama seasoning. That macaroni is done. So I just sprinkled a little bit of paprika in it. And that's just to give it a little bit more color. That's it. Pork chops. You see, the sesame gave it that nice golden color. This is just me, but I love to eat the crunchy portions of like the chicken, any type of meat. This pork chop tastes so good. So there you have it. Got the mac and cheese, the pork chops, and the veggies. So this is going to be good. Great for Friday night dinner.